Now that we have set up our project with the required floor levels and floor plans, we're going back to level 1, and I will show you how to add in some stuffs like the additional internal wall and windows and doors in Revit. So here, basically in the architectural ribbon, there are multiple tools such as wall, doors, and window. We'll just set to walls, door, and window. First, in the wall, there are different types of walls, such as the architectural wall, structural wall face. Typically, for our purpose, we're going to use the wall architecture. Structural is for structural system, so we're not going to use it here. And wall by face is on the mass. When you have an object mass and you want to create from the face of that mass, and select that face, and that will be turned and created into a wall. So now we're going to use the wall architecture. In the wall architecture properties, here you have a different type of wall. You can select this arrow, and then here you can scroll and find a lot of types of wall. Here, let's select the internal wall, which is generic, let's say 140 mm masonry or generic brick. Let's use the 90 mm. You want to select at the middle, place it there until the end. Click again. Click escape to exit out of the command. Escape again to totally close the command. So double escape if you want to exit on the command, and if you want to continue, you can only escape once and then select another point to create the first point and second point. We'll do it again. Let's select another wall architecture. Let's select another type, which is, let's say, about 300. Let's just place it at the center. Click here at the middle of this point. Now, if you want to continue, you can select another point here and then create another. Now, if you still want to continue, you can still create from this point until this point. If you want to exit out of the command, please click the escape button. Click twice to escape out of the command. So now we have created some internal walls, additional walls. You can play around with these walls, try to exercise it, and add in additional more walls from the external. Create additional walls here, additional floor levels or floor slab. Here we're going to go to the 3D view first. Then we'll zoom in. Here we want to see inside of the room, so we'll use the wireframe. Here you can see the internal part of the room where they have the brick wall and the additional internal partition wall. So let's say you use again the graphics display option and select the shader. Now we're going to add a door. Let's use the door toolbox. Click tool, click the door, and then here you can see there are a lot of dimensions or sizes for the door and type of door. You'll just use this first one. If you want to scroll down, you can select the dimension. So here we can set it and place it. It automatically connects to the face of the wall, and then it will cut its own opening and will be embedded and placed in that particular location. Now you can see the wall is placed. You can also place, let's say I want to place another door. Click escape twice to exit out of the command. You can also do it in using the floor plan. You see the door, add in the door, and then you want to place it where you want to rotate. Not only in 3D, you can place it in the floor plan view. Now let's say you want to add in windows. Go back to architecture, select windows. Same as the door, you can scroll down and select the different sizes and types of window. Here we're going to select 1 2 by 1 5. Select any wall. Remember that the window will only attach to the wall. Even internally it can attach as long as there is a wall, because this is a wall-based family. So here on the sill height, you can select and change it to 1 meter. From the floor to the bottom of the window will be 1 meter. Select the location, select it, and just add it here. Later you can still adjust it if you want to move it around. Just select the window, select the wall button. You can set it from the dimensions or location you want to place it. Now we go to the 3D view, and let's see the doors and windows that we just inserted in our room, simple room with doors and windows. You can practice first with all the other tools such as wall, window, and door, and later on I will show you another additional steps or tools that you can use in creating models in Revit. Thank you.